A PhD is a marathon, not a sprint. It's a period of intense learning, research, and personal growth. Challenges will arise, but stay positive. Your resilience will be tested. Remember why you started. This journey is about expanding your knowledge and making a meaningful contribution to your field. Focus on your goals. Break down large tasks. Celebrate small victories. This journey is yours. Embrace the process. And remember, you are not alone. Time management is crucial during your PhD. Create a schedule that works for you. Allocate specific times for research, dedicate time for writing, block out time for breaks, avoid multitasking, focus on one task at a time, set boundaries between work and personal life, take weekends off, disconnect from work emails, recharge your batteries. A well-rested mind is a productive mind. Maintaining a work-life balance is essential. Make time for activities you enjoy, spend time with loved ones, engage in hobbies, exercise regularly, eat healthy foods, get enough sleep. Self-care is not selfish, it's about prioritizing your well-being. When you feel good, you work better. Listen to your body, take breaks, recharge, and return refreshed. Section 4. Building your support system, mentors, and peers. Surround yourself with a supportive network. Your advisor is your guide, so seek their guidance. Connect with fellow PhD students, share your experiences and learn from each other. Attend conferences and workshops and network with others in your field. Building relationships can open doors. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Collaboration fosters success.